Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming today and joining us here for our celebration. My name is Elaine, founder of the Mentoring Lab. So what I thought I would do is really impromptu, but I want to ask a couple of young people to come up and just speak about their experience.
Mental health is just a positive thing. It's helped me and my family.
How are you doing today, guys?
Good.
Hope you had a nice day today. The world trip was very good. We walked out, so it was fun. It was like 5 days. I was just doing different activities. I really liked it there.
All the speakers that you're gonna be seeing this evening have had either a mentor or a coach at some point within their career.
What got me through everything that I went through, what got me to the point today is really, really believing in myself and looking at the bigger picture.
It's because every child has a future and unlimited potential.
The circle of influence is massive, and the Mentoring Lab plays a massive part in that as well. My mentors and coaches are my saving grace. To this day, I have multiple mentors and coaches.
Your network is your network, similarly as what was said before. The people that are around you, take a good look and make sure that they're fueling you, encouraging you.
Got to a point where I understood that bad background doesn't mean that I have to leave my back on the ground. Because I've gone through a lot of stuff and my back's been on the ground. But I have the decision to pick myself back up.
You guys have got a really good opportunity on your way home and tomorrow to just remember somebody earlier said, write your list of like compromises, things you would do, things you say no to, things you say yes to, things you want to do. You've got opportunity to build on your resilience, be more resilient.